there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add logo to your any of your photos, like suppose you're making some editing the photo for your personal brand or stuff like that and you need to add logo. It can work in any situations. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's tap into the app itself, and here let's choose any of the photo you'd like. Okay, let's choose this one over here. It's a blur image. So what you have to do right here is at the very top corner, tap in this option right here and tap in export as, hit tap in customize, use a graphic option. Let's tap in here. So I have different photos right here. Let's tap in this one. It's a very random image, so I'm hoping you have a logo of your like for this. So let's work in the opacity. In my case, I'm using random picture. In your case, please use your logo picture so we can customize the size as well. And this is how you add logo to your photo by using customize watermark options. So this is how you add logo. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any queries, drop the comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.